You're not going to believe this, but did you know there's a handful of banks in every state in America that offer no-doc business loans and business lines of credit, meaning no tax returns, no financials, and no proof of revenue at all. Some of them are below 50K, some 75, some even 100K. And recently, my team and I found a bank that offers no doc up to 250K. And by the way, everything I'm telling you here, I've actually done for myself or my clients in my funding business, which has over 20 employees and has funded more than $95 million over the last 6 years. So this is not theory or regurgitated BS like some of these YouTubers in their mom's basements. And in this video, I'm going to show you how my team and I find these no doc B-locks, our scripts for talking to bankers, and the top 5 banks that approve no doc business funding. Welcome back to the Credit with Colin channel, where we talk about how to leverage your credit and get maximum business funding to start or scale a business or invest for passive income. I'm an 8-year United States Marine Corps veteran who runs one of the top funding companies in America right now. Links to work with me and my team to get 100K plus in funding or fix your credit are in the pinned comment below and description. So let's get into it. Generally, there are 3 types of business line of credit applications: no doc, low doc, and full doc. No doc means exactly what it sounds like. It means no documentation. And that usually means the bank is just going to run a credit check. And based on that alone, they can approve you for business funding. Now, typically, no doc approvals range anywhere from $25,000 to $50,000. And with some banks, it's even up to $100,000. That means no proof of revenue, no tax returns, and no financial statements, bank statements, profit and loss, none of that stuff. Now, that said, most true no doc approvals tend to cap closer to 50K, even though a few banks will still stretch a little bit higher. Next is low doc. Low doc usually means limited or low documentation. That could be 3 months of business bank statements showing some revenue, a profit and loss by your accountant, or sometimes 1 year of tax returns. Some banks actually do a combination of no doc, low doc, and full doc. For example, they may offer no doc for 50K and below, but require low doc, like 3 months of bank statements for up to 100K. And then once you go higher than that, like 100K plus, they transition you into a full doc application, which brings us to the last and least favorite category, full doc. Full doc means full documentation. Think like SBA and things like that. This can include 2 to 3 years of personal and business tax returns, profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and a variety of other financial documentation that could pretty much drive you and your accountant insane. Now, if you're looking for a truly no-doc business line of credit, you're almost always going to find them through your local banks in your area and some regional banks, which leads to the next question. How do you actually find out which banks offer no-doc or low-doc business lines of credit, business term loans, and business funding products? Well, one way is to go directly to the bank's website, navigate to their business lending section, then specifically look at the business term loan or line of credit page. And sometimes you're going to see some language that is indicative of a no-doc or low-doc application. It'll typically say streamlined application, simplified application process, or same-day decision and next-day funding. These are all strong indicators of a potential no-doc or low-doc program. For example, some banks will clearly state that amounts of 50K and below receive a same-day decision and next-day funding. But for limits 50K and above, you're going to need to speak with a loan officer and likely provide some financial documentation. That is a classic no-doc to low-doc transition. Another method is simply calling the bank and asking to speak with a business loan officer, branch manager, or relationship manager. Have a direct convo with them about the application process and ask them what's required to apply. And this is something I do and my team regularly does. We call every single day, constantly calling new banks, asking about their no-doc and low-doc programs and adding them onto our lenders list. And if you want to work with my team to get you no-doc B-lock or even 100K to 500K plus in funding and deploy that capital into cash flowing real estate, the link is in the pinned comment to do so. Now, before you apply anywhere, there's one thing you need to do first. You need to build your business credit profile. The fastest way to do that is by using Nav, NavPrime, and Incredible. You can sign up for all 3 of these for under $50 and will boost your business credit scores. Nav is a business credit monitoring service, and they will let you check your business credit scores with Dun & Bradstreet, Experian Business, Equifax, and even your SPSS score. Now, this part matters because you don't always know which bureau a bank is going to pull. So spend a few minutes building your business credit. It takes 10 minutes or less, and it makes a massive difference in no-doc B-lock approvals. All right, let's get right into the banks, guys. And keep in mind, you typically need a seasoned 2-year or older business, LLC, S Corp, etc., to qualify for a business line of credit. But there are some banks that offer these to brand new businesses, specifically number 4 on our list. Now, first up is Key Bank. This is one of my personal favorites. KeyBank is the 13th largest bank in America and operates in these 16 states. KeyBank pulls the Experian Bureau, and they offer no-doc B-locks for $50K and below. Oftentimes, our clients go in to the branch, they open a checking with a small deposit, and they apply same day for a $50K B-lock and a $25K card. They're often approved on the spot with good credit scores for the entire $75K. Next is going to be Truist Bank. Truist is the 6th largest bank in America, and they operate in these 18 states. Truist pulls Equifax Bureau and offers no-doc business loans and lines of credit up to $50K. Now, I will say this one is a little bit harder. You really do have to call around to multiple branches and speak with different business relationship managers. Run the script. Just let them know that you are a seasoned business owner, more than 2 years in business, with good revenue and good credit, and tell them that you're interested in establishing a relationship, opening a business checking account, and that you'd like to apply for a business line of credit for just $50,000, just $50K. Then ask how the process works, what documents are required, and they'll let you know if it's no doc or low doc. Next up is PNC Bank, 4th largest bank in America, operating in these 28 states. PNC pulls Experian and offers business term loans and lines of credit. They also offer business credit cards, which pair really well with the no doc strategy. Now, recently, PNC changed up their policy, and they now require a 6-month bank account relationship for the no doc B-lock all the way up to $100K. No tax returns required. A lot of our clients establish a business checking. They get a $12K to $25K 0% card. They season this bank account for 6 months before going for that $100K no doc B-lock. So this one does require patience and strategy for sure, but it could pay off big time. Next is TD Bank. They are the 8th largest bank in America, and they operate in these 16 states. They pull the Experian Bureau, and TD is unique because they'll actually work with startups. You do not need a 2-year LLC. If your business is under 2 years or even brand new, you could apply for a no-doc business line of credit up to $25K, and TD allows you to submit a business plan instead of income documentation. So you basically explain what your business plans on doing, your projections, and how the money is going to be used. Now, if your business is over 2 years, TD can go no-doc all the way up to $100K. We've gotten this approval dozens of times. Now, here's something most people won't tell you. TD checks the SBSS score. That's the Small Business Scoring Service. It is a blended score based on your business credit scores and your personal FICO scores. Generally, if you have a 700 plus FICO and you build business credit with NAV Prime, and Incredible, you're going to be good. Now, if you get NAV Prime, you can actually view this score, and most banks want to see at least a 165, but for TD, I recommend a 200 or higher. One of our clients was recently approved for 100K, and his SBSS score was a 205. He had like a 730 FICO and good business credit score. Now, last up is First Citizens Bank, the 17th biggest bank in America. They pull the Experian Bureau, and it's best to open a business checking account with them first, season it with $10K for 14 days for the best approvals. We get approved for $50K 0% cards all the time here with no docs, and they offer B-locks below $75K with no financials required. And again, this is one of those ones you're going to have to call around, speak with the business relationship managers, branch managers, and source a good one willing to do no docs. Now, keep in mind, don't take your first no for an answer. Call around and have conversations with multiple branches and relationship managers and branch managers, because your mileage may vary. Not all branches offer no-doc programs. This happens to our clients all the time. Sometimes a different branch just a mile or two away at the same exact bank is offering no-doc. And guys, drop a comment and a like below. Don't be a mouth breather. I just dropped a ton of value for you guys. And if you're not already subscribed, what are you doing? Make sure to subscribe, guys. We're dropping new videos every single week, new no-doc funding plays and new gems, and you're not going to want to miss out. Also, feel free to drop a comment below. Any questions you have, I personally answer each and every one of them. And again, if you want to work with my team and let us do the heavy lifting for you, stacking D-locks with no docs, 0% cards, and even helping you deploy that capital into cash flowing assets, links to get your funding or get your credit fix are in the pinned comment in the description. It's Credit with Colin. I'll see you guys on the next one. Deuces.